excited. You good child, you smiling? Welcome happy campers, it's me Amanda here with Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Transcend 231RK. But before we get started, small reminders, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell notification icon because we're putting out more and more videos each week and every week. So if you have anything you want to see, leave it in the comments below. But speaking of what you want to see, this is again my third year doing this floor plan for Grand Design, and this has to be a really popular one. But if you want to see all of our videos from both 2021 and 2022, we will link them in the video here for you. I think we talked about the dual entryway in the 2022, and 2021 was just me relaxing and enjoying this floor plan. Today we're going to point out a few things like the outdoor entertainment space, how much space you have on the inside, and also if there's any 2023 changes, but let's see. Starting off on the outside, and we're on the rear of this camper. Just so you see, we do have a ladder built in because this camper has fully walkable roof and slides. So just get up there, check all your seals and everything else. And one thing I want to note is that this particular floor plan doesn't have any slides on our outdoor entertainment space. It's all on the opposite side, and the quality, I don't know if you can hear that, it's hardcore even on the sides and on the outside. So Grand Design really goes a step above to give you a good quality product. But the outdoor entertainment space is pretty massive, and it's just laid out really well. We've got entryways on each side. One goes into the bedroom, one goes into that living space and possibly just for your guest. We've got some outside stairs that stay on the outside of these campers but pull out super easy. And I love the friction doors with these awesome screen doors that just cool down the inside so fast. We also have outdoor speakers, a large awning, an outdoor light on this specific one, and check out this window. It goes right into our living space here, and I do have it open so you can see how much airflow we're getting into this camper just by these three ways. But let's take a look inside. Let's talk doorways, mixing it up a little bit. I am 5'11", and as you can see, if I stand up straight and tall, I'm just barely clearing this entryway. So it's just something to think about. But also in our entryway, we have this. I love that they're adding places for your shoes and or just whatever you need, maybe umbrellas for right before you go outside. We have small drawers for any of our things that we need to keep out of sight, and even an extra serving area here that may be really good for appetizers. But step in, let's take a look around. One good thing about this floor plan, especially if you're wanting to have your family around and hang out, is that they can hang out in the theater seats or even the dinette and maybe watch some TV and not feel like they're in your way of cooking. You know, sometimes you have the theater seats right behind you while you're at your stove, but this layout's very entertaining friendly, and you can definitely make some good meals with all of this countertop space, a gigantic sink, and there's plenty of places for a coffee pot, plenty of storage for air fryers or anything else you want to bring, and even more storage down here. I mean, check this out. Cleaning supplies, we don't lack any space for those, and a pretty good size utensil drawer as well. We have an RV fridge also in our kitchen. Look at the fridge and freezer of that. Amazing. And a pantry option that is incredibly deep, and I just like that it's really tall too, because I love those storage containers for your pasta and everything. I always talk about it, and those would fit amazingly in there. We also have our theater seating that I talked about before, as well as our dinette. Don't forget that dinette is an extra sleeping space. But these theater spaces are just for comfort and relaxation. And in this room, we've got lots of windows, plenty of airflow, and even a skylight for extra lighting. I like that you don't have to run your lights even throughout the day. You can just sort of use what you got, the beautiful sun. Now onto that bathroom. Walk-through bathrooms, I always say, are my favorite because larger doors, you've got plenty of space to walk through, even if someone's sitting in front of the mirror. We have extra mirrors if you have to get ready, so you can go in the bedroom. And there's even a shower tucked away around the corner, so you do have a little bit of privacy from the entertainment side. And it's plenty big and has its own shower curtain slash door added into it that squeegees the water for you. But let's look at this bedroom. With the help of this screen door and double entrance, you can definitely keep an eye on everything going on outside while also taking your nap midday inside. You have this residential size queen bed. I like the on-off switch we have here. It's pretty simple, user-friendly. Lots of storage above and wardrobes on the side, and even an extra wardrobe in front of the bed over here. The wardrobe has a few extra hooks, but it has a, I guess, front to back style hanging rod that won't let your clothes go sliding. So just an extra hanging space, and I would use this to charge some electronics and have a nice little shelf there. And there's even more storage underneath this bed. But what do you think of this Transcend? Do you think you and your family would enjoy a weekend? Well, let us know in the comments below, or give us a call, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits. Wait, before you go, if you're looking for 2023 inventory, check out our playlist, and we add to it every week.